In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort rows in Google Sheets based on one column. Whether you're organizing your data for better clarity or preparing a report, knowing how to sort data efficiently in Google Sheets is an essential skill. So, let's dive into the process and make your data work for you. First, let's head over to Google Sheets. Open your preferred browser and go to the Google Sheets homepage. Here, you'll have the option to either select a spreadsheet you've previously worked on or create a brand new one. If you're working with existing data, make sure you select the right spreadsheet from your list. For demonstration purposes, I'll be opening a sheet that already has some data entered in one column. This will help illustrate how the sorting function can reorganize your information seamlessly. Now that we have our spreadsheet open, let's focus on the main task at hand: sorting rows based on a specific column. Click on the top of the column you wish to sort by. For instance, if your data is in column A, you will click right at the top where the letter A is. This step highlights the entire column, indicating to Google Sheets that this is your sorting column. Once the column is highlighted, navigate to the top menu bar and locate the Data option. Click on it to display a drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you'll find Sort Range, and within that two options: Sort Range A to Z and Sort Range Z to A. If you select Sort Range A to Z, Google Sheets will sort your data in ascending order. This is perfect for alphabetical lists starting with A or for numerical data beginning with the lowest number. Conversely, choosing Sort Range Z to A reverses the order, placing Z or the highest number at the top. It's important to note that Google Sheets will only sort the data within the highlighted range. So, if you have additional columns that are part of the data set you want to keep aligned, ensure that all rows are correctly selected before performing the sort. This prevents any mishmatching of rows across different columns. This process of sorting allows for a more streamlined and organized view of your data, making it not only easier to interpret, but also more aesthetically pleasing. With a few clicks, you've transformed a cluttered spreadsheet into a neat and readable format. That's it. You've successfully sorted data by a single column in Google Sheets. By knowing how to effectively manage your data, you'll find that your workflow becomes much more efficient and your spreadsheets easier to navigate. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and experimenting with different data sets, and soon enough, you'll become a pro at using Google Sheets.